पता नहीं इसे एक मार्केटिंग जीनियस बोलूं या फिर बेशर्मी की हद, बट Lala Ramdev has done it again. Lala Ramdev has discovered a new type of jihad. What could it be? It's none other than Sharbat jihad. Let me explain. Lala Ramdev का कहना है कि if you buy and drink products, especially a sharbat from a particular brand, that brand which you have been drinking from your childhood, like most people, because it is one of the most oldest and most successful food brands in India. लेकिन सडनली अगर तुम उस ब्रांड का शरबत पीते हो तो उसका पैसा जिहाद के काम आता है, उसका पैसा काम आएगा मस्जिदें बनाने में, मदरसे बनाने में और ना जाने किस किस गलत काम में।
एक तरफ टॉयलेट क्लीनर का प्रहार, जहर, दूसरी तरफ शरबत के नाम पर एक कंपनी है जो शरबत तो देती है, लेकिन उस शरबत से जो पैसा मिलता है उससे मदरसे और मस्जिदें बनवाती। ठीक है, उनका मजहब है, लेकिन आप यदि वो शरबत पिएंगे तो मस्जिद और मदरसे बनेंगे। और पतंजलि का गुलाब का शरबत पीते हैं आप, लो ये शरबत पिएंगे आप तो गुरुकुल बनेंगे, आचार्य कुलम बनेगा, पतंजलि विश्वविद्यालय, भारतीय शिक्षा बोर्ड आगे बढ़ेगा।
But I thought you should also know that Baba Ramdev, in fact Lala Ramdev, has been seen driving a Land Rover जिसकी cost is more than 1 crore rupees, you guys. And not just that, उनकी खुद की net worth is more than $1 billion US. So I don't know where did that money come from. अगर वो इतना ही public को वापस दे रहे हैं, he is investing in such good things, how does he even have that kind of money then? And I know Lala Ramdev के ये बोलने से काफी लोग इंस्पायर हो भी जाएंगे. But if you are getting inspired, then you will have to completely boycott brands like Himalaya, Wipro and Cipla, because they were also founded by Muslims. See, of course he did this to appear in news and to become relevant at this point. And what is a better way to promote anything and come in news than doing Hindu-Muslim in the current times? Maybe he has done good for himself saying all that, forgetting what Supreme Court said to him last year. इतनी डांट पड़ी, but उसके बाद भी Lala Ramdev has the audacity to say all this. Anyway, the problem is कि इस type के बयान देना has become so normalized that we don't even find it problematic anymore. But this is leading us somewhere as a nation, and we need to ask where.